1, 2, ready, start. Okay, here's the Patrick. How old are you now?
8.
8. He's 8. So remind Patrick to me what is to do with the rocking horse, painted rocking horse. What is the goal for this song? I just explained you like 2 seconds ago. What is to do with seesaw, rocking horse, steady motion, steady movements, right? The same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rainbow colored pony, yellow, blue, and red. The same. No rush. Not like this. Da 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 da. Patrick, why are you not listening? Okay, we're gonna play together, and now instead of the counting, I like you try to sing because you did before. Okay, let's if you sing. If it's this word, for example, bed, red, it's long notes. It's 4 beats, right? Okay, let's try. 1, 2, ready, go. Yellow, blue, and red. See, you did not hold enough. Bed, 4 beats. Patrick, this is messing up your rocking horse and it's messing up your rhythm. Let's do one more time. Singing. 1, 2, ready, go. No, we do singing the words now, the song. 1, 2, ready, start. Yellow, blue, red. Always here beside me, standing by my bed. When what's happened with play? Whole note, isn't it? So it's not short note, it's long note. Play, 4 beats, you need to hold the note. You need to hold the word, 4 beats. Let's pick up from 9. So this page is 52, 53 in all-in-one piano lessons. Hall Leonard, book C. Okay, we hear Patrick, bar 9, ready, set, go. Are you ready? When the sky is cloudy, right? Patrick, I like if you look here more than here. What is the point? Can you explain what is the point? You don't see anything there except your face. Okay. You don't have any notes on your face. You don't have any rests. You don't have anything on your face. It's not helpful to stare at yourself to the camera. It's not helpful to you. Helpful if you look here, right? And see what we're talking about. We're gonna do the words. We're gonna start with bar number 9. Ready? Go. yeah, Patrick, you did very well on the rhythm for these 2 lines. Now would be even better if you can play from the beginning to the end with the correct rhythm, with singing, with holding long notes, right? Let's try. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, let's take a little break and we'll come back to this one more time. A break we're gonna do with your 5 fingers patterns. Say hi, Patrick. Oh my goodness, there's Patrick. It's like looking in the mirror, right? Isn't that cool? Hi, Patrick. Hi, Miss Elsa. Okay, we're gonna do 5 fingers patterns. Reviewing. 5 finger. Okay, let me hear staccato. No, you can start here.
No.
Okay, this was interesting approach. What was the goal, Patrick? Did you, besides playing piano, did you try play faster, faster, faster?
I'm not so sure.
Huh?
I do not know.
You don't know what you were doing. It just happened, right? Okay, so you made this a trail around. It went faster. So I was curious if you have if you had a goal or it just happened. So let's try one more time, and there should not be this goal to make it faster. We should keep it steady. We should keep it like it's with metronome. Remember metronome thing? I'm gonna be your metronome. I'm gonna tap on your shoulder and play the same equal notes, okay? Equal. I'm gonna be your metronome. I'm gonna tap your shoulder. Ready? Try one more time. By the way, staccatos was pretty good. Last time we were learning with you the short staccatos, and you're doing well. And can you sit please like this instead of going so close, like down? No, this is perfect position. How we check? This. Hands, arms, fists reaching the wooden this board. It's fine. Totally great position. This your position, Patrick. Okay, staccato without trying to make it faster. And I'm gonna help you with this, okay? 1, 2, ready, go. This you're missing little rest. Notes. After this last single note, you have a rest. Quarter rest. Quarter note, quarter rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Try again. 2. Okay, and I think what we tried to do, we tried to play these chords for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's 2 beats. I don't know. Should be longer. Okay, try again. job. Continue. Next one. I'm still your metronome, tapping on your shoulder. Beautiful. Keep going. No, no, no. Hey, I'm here. You're running away from me. Right? Okay, try again from E. Don't slow down. Don't you feel my hand on your shoulder? I want you to be together with me. Can you try from E together? Give me the last, what I just played. Copy me. Copy. Okay? One more time from E. 1, 2, ready, start. 1, 2, ready, go. You're rushing, Patrick. Keep it more longer right here. Okay, I hope your mom will gonna help you with the video, and you will work on a steady rhythm, steady tempo with correct rhythm. Now we're going to do one more try for the song. Hopefully this time gonna be flawlessly from the beginning to the end. Painted rocking horse. Okay, don't forget hold these long notes, and you singing now, not counting but singing with your playing and with my accompaniment. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, not bad. I didn't know what you were singing or counting. It actually does not matter as long as you keep the rhythm. Short notes, long notes, it's all good. Okay, let's say bye, everyone, bye. This was Patrick. He likes to stare at the camera, or he likes to hide from the camera. It's one or another. Bye, Miss Elza Reader here.